One of the biggest names in golf is coming back to the PGA Tour. Brooks Koepka announced his reinstatement on X about 3.5 years after he left to join LIV Golf. ABC 10 News anchor Max Goldwasser joining us now. And Max, it's a reunion that doesn't come without repercussions.
Yeah, Kimberly, let me break it down in a way that everyone can understand. It's like a less romantic breakup and makeup story. A spouse leaves a marriage for a new, younger partner that promises more money and freedom. But after a few years of separation, he wants to rekindle the old relationship. And he gets the opportunity to come home, but with conditions. When Koepka joined LIV Golf in 2022, he accepted a 9-figure signing bonus. Now he leaves LIV 1 year early to be closer to home and spend more time with family, according to his post on X. The 5-time major champion can join the PGA Tour again thanks to its new returning member program, but that reinstatement comes at a cost. He has to donate $5 million to charity. He's locked out of the Tour's player equity program for 5 years, and he has to play at least 15 PGA Tour events this year to keep his status. On X, he wrote in part that he believes where the Tour is headed with new leadership, new investors, and an equity program that gives players a meaningful ownership stake. He said he understands there are financial penalties associated with the decision, and he accepts those. And how about this little cherry on top for us here in San Diego? His first event back is going to be the Farmers Insurance Open at Torrey Pines at the end of this month. And something to note, a little drama here. The returning member program is designed in such a way that only 3 other LIV golfers qualify: Bryson DeChambeau, Jon Rahm, and Cameron Smith. Most notably, Phil Mickelson is left off of that list, because major champions from 2022 to 2025 who left for at least 2 years, they can return. Mickelson's last win, though, came in 2021. Either way, they have until February 2nd to apply for reinstatement. But yeah, a little extra spice to this new update here that we got today.
Interesting exception you're pointing out.
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah, we'll see what happens, Kimberly.
That's right. Thank you, Max.